friends, today we're going to be writing the cursive word cost. To start, let's define it. The definition of cost is the amount paid or charged. So on this example, we have this cute little teddy bear, and you're going to see that it is worth $3. So the cost of this teddy bear is $3. All right, now that we understand a little bit better what the word means, let's go ahead and try to write it. So on here, when I'm noticing anything special, I notice a couple things. I'm noticing my C and my O don't connect, so we'll have to pick up our pencil for that. I'm also noticing that my O and my S are connecting at the top. So just a couple of things we'll want to pay attention to. All right, let's go ahead and try to write it. We're going to start with that capital C. And again, that C is not going to connect. So I'm going to pick up my pencil for the O, come to the floor, and connect on the top for my O, about halfway for that S, and about 3/4 for the T. All right, now we can go ahead and cross our T's, and there you have it. That's the word cost in cursive. For more practice, please subscribe to my channel and see the show notes for links to similar videos. I'll also go ahead and link in my description my Teacher Pay Teacher, where you can find my cursive practice pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, cursive is a skill, so the more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll see you next time. Bye!